Good morning. It's Tuesday. This is Guru's Tech Bites, episode 142. And boy, do we got a pile of stuff today. Stuff that gets my gears turning, you know? I mean, we're talking about the little guy getting squeezed, some serious silicon muscle, and even your own doodles getting a secret stamp. It's a wild world out there in the ones and zeros, so let's just jump right in, because I got a lot to say and not a lot of time to say it. First up, and this one gets my blood boiling, is how Europe is just strangling the little guy. I mean, the makers, the micro-entrepreneurs, the folks selling handmade cables or custom circuit boards. All these new rules, all this paperwork, it's not for the big corporations. They got lawyers for that. It's for the guy in his garage, the one with the good idea. Second, we got Xiaomi, and hold on to your hats, because they just dropped a new CPU that is an absolute monster. I'm hearing it matches Apple's best chip, core for core, in single-threaded work. But then, and here's the kicker, it just blows past it in multi-threaded tasks. We're talking a huge leap, like going from a 4-cylinder to a V8 overnight. It's got the big boys looking over their shoulders, that's for sure. Okay, that's something. Third, and this one is sneaky, real sneaky. Microsoft Paint and Photos, the apps we all use for goofing around, they're now putting an invisible watermark on everything you make, even if it never leaves your own computer. It's a hidden GUID, a little digital fingerprint. Now, I get it, they want to track AI stuff, but this is on everything, even your own local files. It feels a little Big Brother, you know? Like they're watching you color. And finally, we got to talk about the big one, the one that affects everything. The oceans just hit their highest temperature on record. And I know this is a tech show, but this is the hardware we all depend on, the planet itself. It's not about a new phone. It's about the weather getting angrier, the ice melting faster. That's your daily bite. Have a great day. Until next time.